Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2 and let me share with you how to add a photo to contact in this device. So firstly, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact right here, and as you can see we have to tap on this camera icon right in the middle. And here we can either take a photo and thanks to this option your device will open the camera app. So this is the best feature to pick if you've got the person right in front of you and if you'll be able to take a photo, or we can choose a photo from the gallery, and I'll pick this option, sorry. So here we can pick something from the Google Photos or the gallery, which is simply the same, and now simply find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of this square. We cannot zoom in or out the photo, so all we have to do is to simply change the position of the square and make it smaller or bigger. And thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is obviously responsible for it. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. And as you can see, it immediately appears right here, so simply tap on save in the right upper corner. It is very important. And here we've got our saved contact, and as you can see it will be visible on the contact list and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to contact in your REALME GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.